Bonjour tout le monde. Good morning to all of you. Today's class will be about the articles. Yes, les articles. Before starting the class, you click on this red button, and if anyone has any problem, then me comment in the comment box. So now start the class. Les articles. There are two types of articles in French. First one is les articles indéfinis. Les articles indéfinis, the indefinite article. And second one is les articles définis. Les articles définis, the definite article. But today I will discuss about the indefinite article only. So now start. In French, there are three forms of indefinite article. First one is un. Pronunciation is un. Un is used before a masculine singular noun, and un means a, an, or one according to situation. Example of un: je suis un garçon. This one is un garçon. I am a boy. Another one is une. Une. Une is used before a feminine singular noun, and une means a, an, or one according to situation. For example, je suis une fille. Je suis une fille. I am a girl. Another one is they. They is used before any plural noun, and the French indefinite article for the plural they is similar to English some. They means some. For example, ils sont des garçons. Ils sont des garçons. They are boys. Another example, Lena et Lara sont tastes de glace. Lena and Lara bought some ice cream. Another example of masculine and feminine noun. Masculine noun pronounce the examples learning the gender of each noun along with its article. The indefinite article is the same for nouns beginning with a consonant or a vowel. For example, a notel, because H, starting with H is always silent in French. Then pronunciation is a notel, not a hotel. Is that clear? A notel, a hotel. A notobus, a natobus. A bus. Anami, a friend. Anami, a friend. A jardin, starting with consonant. Starting with consonant, so differently pronounced. A jardin, a garden. A billet, a ticket. A musée, a museum. The French have the last alphabet mostly silently pronounced. So now feminine nouns pronounce the following example and learn the meaning of words new to you. A practical way to learn the gender of a noun is to link it with a or une. A or une. For example, une amie. Une amie, same as an above. Une amie, a friend for masculine. Une librairie, a bookstore. Une bibliothèque, a library. Une mère, a mother. Important fact of indefinite article. Yes, the indefinite article is not used when talking about a person's profession, religion, or any other defining noun in the following construction. This formation is allowed. Noun या name या subject pronoun. Noun, any noun, starting with any noun, या starting with any name, या starting with subject pronoun. Yes, I have told you about the subject pronoun in the last video, so please see the last video. Plus atr verb, I have told already this verb in last video, plus profession या religion या noun. For example, ma ser é avocat. My sister is a lawyer. My sister is a lawyer. Ma ser é avocat. My ser a noun in the noun, and is a is a atr verb and avocat is a profession. So follow this rule. It is not put of any article in you, in, and they. So this rule is very important for all of you. Another example, ils sont cousins. They are cousin. So in the same, ils sont, il is a subject pronoun and sont is a atr verb, and it is not immediately put of you in and they, indefinite article. So ils sont cousins, they are cousin. Another one is, we will not use indefinite article even if there are negative sentence. So with negation, this one is negation, negative. For example, je ne veux pas de chien. I don't want a dog. This is a its sentence is negative, and the put on this sentence is positive. Je veux un chien. Je veux un chien. I want a dog. Or this sentence is negative. Je ne veux pas de chien. I don't want a dog. Another example, n'achetez pas d'oignon. Don't buy any onion. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel